everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to do a Target haul. I went shopping at Target, which is one of my most favorite places to shop, and got some stuff for the house, some food and makeup. So I thought I would share with you what I got. The makeup I got was basically for fall. And I thought I would do a makeup look with it here coming up. So anyway, I thought I would share this with you. If you like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe, and we'll go ahead and get into it. So, all right, the first thing I got was hazelnut coffee. This is just the best hazelnut coffee that I have found. It's the Archer Farms brand, and I really enjoyed this coffee. It's one of my favorites for in the morning. And then whatever I don't drink while I'm getting ready for work in the morning, I put in my little travel cup and take it to work with me. So none of it ever goes to waste. So there you go. There's my coffee. So I picked another one of those up. I have one that I'm using now, but I don't want to run out. I need my caffeine. Okay. Next thing I got was a cleaning product. It's the wet cloth sweeper refills for my Swiffer. This is just the Target brand. Just a little bit cheaper, but I mop my floors every 2 weeks, and I wanted to try something for in between. Not that my floors are super dirty or anything gross, but I wanted to make sure that they stay nice and clean. So I thought this might help. So I thought I would try those out. And then I got some laundry soap. This is my favorite. It's the Method, and it's the Beach Sage. It's my favorite kind. I've probably went through 5 or 6 of these. I have plenty of, I also use the fabric softener. Can't think. And I have plenty of that. I just needed the laundry soap. So I grabbed one of these while I was at the store. And then, okay, we'll go into makeup, I guess. I need another micellar water. I hope I'm saying that right. I like this for in the morning. At night I have something on my face. I can feel it. At night I wash my face, which is a whole nother subject. We'll get into that in another video. But I do use this in the morning. It has the oil and the water. You shake it up, and I just use the cotton round. So I use this in the morning just to get off any grossness, I guess. Freshen my face up before I go to work. Any leftover eyeliner or whatever that I didn't get off, that seems to get it off. And then I got a cuticle pusher thing. I got that because I do my nails at home, which I think I'm going to do a video on as well, because I save a lot of money doing my nails at home. But I needed this because I do the gel nails, so I wanted to get that to get the nail polish off. Okay, then I went with one makeup line, and how do I say this? I struggled a little bit with this, but I got the L'Oreal brand. I don't typically buy some of these products. I'm kind of a makeup snob, and I use a little bit higher end. I know I used the Wet n Wild the other day, but that was something that was just like a few little products to add with what I already wear. But to do a whole face in drugstore makeup is not something I normally do. So this was a little out of my comfort zone. So the first thing I got was the L'Oreal eyeshadow palette. So it has the 4, and this is in, oh my gosh, 102, I guess. It doesn't really have a name. It's just 102. So I got that. I'm not going to go into too much detail because, like I said, I'm going to do a whole face look with these products. I'm probably going to try them out for a couple times and then do a whole face look for you. The other thing I got was the Lash Paradise, which, you know, I've been using the mascara, so that's one reason I thought I would do this. But anyway, the Lash Paradise eyeliner. So I got that to try out. I got the True Match L'Oreal blush. And for L'Oreal being such a big brand, I was shocked. The only blushes they had, at least at my Target, were these True Matte shades. And they had 4 blushes, and that was it. End of discussion. So if one of those 4 shades didn't work for you, you were kind of out of luck. So I thought that was very odd. But I went ahead and I got this one, and it is in Tender Rose. So I got that to try. I got the Lumi Cushion. Oh my gosh, I'm going to set this on. I'm going to lose it forever. The Lumi Cushion foundation. I got that in... Oh my gosh. It is written like microscopic. So of course, I can't read it, but I believe it's soft beige. Don't ask. Okay. I got the Nude Balm. There we go. And I got that in 219 Plum. And I got the Magic Lumi brightening stuff that goes under your eyes. Now, I've tried this before and I love it. I just happened to run out of it, so I thought I would give that one a try again. A couple of them. There's another brand too that has one, and I really like it as well. Okay, got Listerine. Love Listerine. I gotta have Listerine. I like to brush my teeth. Obviously, I brush my teeth, but then gotta have Listerine. I got this. This is a new product, the Olay Whips. I've heard really good things about this, and I tend to have dry skin, so I got it in the shea butter. So when I use when I take a shower, I can use this. Don't use this in the bathtub, but shower. That's a shower thing. And then I got some sparkling waters. I think that's what you call them, spritzers, whatever. I got this watermelon lemonade, and I got cherry limeade. So I got both of those. I like to take these with me to work to have with my lunch. I have my coffee, and I drink that pretty much all day. I just stop drinking the coffee and drink this at lunch, and then once that's gone, I go back to the coffee. My coffee mug will keep my coffee cold all day long. So anyway, I just like to have something different sometimes for my coffee. And I think... Yep, that is everything I got at Target. I have it sitting all around my chair. So anyway, I just thought I would share with you what I got at Target. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!